Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. My name is Stella. Please don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, and of course to share this video. So Gogo Skhotheni announced that she has bought a house and a land, you guys. Now she says that she intends on not staying there but renting it and actually making money from the property, and people have basically accused her of lying to them again. They're saying that this is a paid promo. Now, not only that, they're saying that she is starting to feel the pressure from her rival, Gogo Maweni, who has been flaunting her newly bought properties and also her new double-story house that she is currently building. Gogo Maweni has posted these accomplishments on her social media, and people are saying that Skhotheni is feeling the heat, hence she decided to post this promo as her own. So Gogo Maweni went to Facebook and commented, subbing her fellow Sangoma Gogo Skhotheni through this post, and people are saying they know that she is talking about Gogo Skhotheni. This is what Gogo Maweni wrote. She said, LOL, imagine being an influencer and posting to keep up a see your life. That was written by Gogo Maweni on her Facebook, and of course she was subbing Gogo Skhotheni, who had posted her alleged new property. What are your thoughts? Please do share them with me, of course, in the comment section. Do not forget to subscribe if you haven't yet done so. I will definitely see you on the next video.